Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. I want to have a little play today, bit of an experiment. I had a thought and I thought, I wonder if I can actually execute that. So I've got this mould from Temu. I've never used it before. Nice little dish mould, and I want a hole in it. So I was thinking, I've been looking around my craft room and I do have like silicone bungs, but I want the hole slightly bigger than that. So I was thinking this little pot might stick to it, it might not, but we'll give it a go, shall we? I'm going to be using Aquacast today, and I'm going to be making two of these balls. One will be marbled and one will be plain. I'll go and get my Aquacast mixed up and start waffling. Right, I have 105 grams of water here, and I'm going to put 300 grams of Aquacast in. And just give that a mix. This is the plain one. I'm not bothered if this is a bit watery, but for the one I'm going to marble, it needs to be thicker consistency if you want to get a decent marble. Oh, that's good, you can see the bubbles there, making a mess. Oh yeah, definitely making a mess. I will put this on the vibration plate for a couple of minutes, top it up with just the bit that's left in the bowl. Right, let's get it out. It's been a couple of hours now. It's very, very warm in this craft room today. In fact, this is still very warm, which surprises me. Ooh, lovely. That's lovely. Need a bit of sanding on the back, but very, very nice. Right, let's turn this back. I'll get some more Aquacast mixed up, and then we can make the next one. I've got exactly the same amount mixed up, 300 grams, and I'm using resin creep pigment in purple to marble. Now I'm just wondering, no, I think that's thick enough. I'm just going to put a few drops in, well, quite a lot, 7. Not going to do much to it, and this, it definitely isn't going on the vibration plate. We do not want to ruin the marbling, so we will be careful here. Let's give it a squidge. Don't want any air bubbles. And you know what I forgot? Because I'm a wally. Let's scrape this off, because I wanted to put that in, didn't I? Now I'm still thinking perhaps I need a bigger one. I wouldn't mind the hole same as that hole there, but I really don't think I've got anything, so we'll stick with that hole and we'll try and get it in around it. Right, as you can see, I found something a bit bigger. It's my wax pot. So we'll see if that's any better. Let's get this out. Okay, right, just got to sand that out. There's a few bubbles, that's we're not using the plate, so that all needs sanding. Let's see if I can get it out with my fingers. Not all of it, I've left it quite a long time, so it's quite hard. Oh, it shouldn't take much sanding that really. Right, I'll let this dry. Beautiful on the inside, isn't it? We're not going to see that. We're just going to see that. We'll let it dry and I'll be back with you for the next stage. Right, we've got two now. Got a full bowl and I'm going to sit them together like that to be making a vase. So what I'm going to do is I've mixed up a tiny bit of Aquacast. I've left it quite runny for the simple reason I'm going to paint it on there. I do want it thicker, so I might leave it for about 10 minutes. Once I've done it all, 10 minutes, I want it thicker because I want it to fill the gap between them. There's a slight gap, so we'll just paint this on. I'll give you some music while I do this. I'm going to leave this for about 10 minutes now, or maybe 5 minutes, just till it's a bit gloopier. Alright, and then I'll be right back. Right, it's only been 5 minutes and it's not tacky, so, and I couldn't wait. I'm far too impatient. So I'm just going to stick it on and see if I've put enough in to fill that gap. Right, it's been sitting for about half hour, so I'm hoping that it's firm enough for me to wax it. It does need a bit longer, but I won't be waxing the inside for the simple reason I forgot before I put the Aquacast on to glue it, if you will. I forgot, so I'm going to wax it now. Usual wax that I always use. And we'll just get it all over. Very difficult to sand this with all these grooves. It was really difficult. I used my Dremel, but that weren't doing very well, so I wrapped a piece of sandpaper up around a pencil and went in it like that. The things we have to do, and I didn't waste the Aquacast I used as a fix-it, as an adhesive. I've put it in. I don't know if any of you remember the eggs. They weren't very good in resin, so I've popped a bit of Aquacast in. Let's give it a try. It's perfectly dry now. I've tried using a pen on it and I didn't like it much, so what I'm going to do is I've got some masking tape and I'm going to try and make it as straight as I possibly can all the way around. Right, as you can see, it's on now on both sides. Absolutely shocking tape. I don't know how long we've had it, about 100 years by judge of how it was to stick on. So I'm not holding out much hope that it'll be perfectly straight. But I've got some acrylic paint here in violet, beautiful colour. I don't know whether to dab it on or paint it on, because like I say, it's not sticking properly. Rubbish, this tape. And I'm just going to paint it on and we'll see what it looks like. I'm dabbing it more than anything else. It can always have a second layer. Like I say, worried about that tape coming up. Right, I'm going to let that dry now. Hopefully, I'm going to keep my fingers crossed. Hopefully it'll be alright. I'm going to give it a second layer. You don't need to see that. It's just me painting it on again. And then we'll take the tape off. Let's take it off, shall we? And see if it's actually worked. If I can find an end. I think that's one. Oh no. A bit of cleanup to do. Oh no. I think I've got an idea for this. Yeah. I'll tell you in a minute. Oh, look at that. I should have just gone out and got some new masking tape. Hey, I don't know. Bit of a clean up to do there. Would have been beautiful had it been straight, wouldn't it? I'm going to do a bit of a clean up, and all I'm going to use is micro brush and a wipe. Hopefully I can do it with that. If it doesn't work, I'll come back and we'll sort something else out, eh? Paint's dried now, but it was such a mess. That tape was so horrendous that I've had to go around it with my chrome marker pen. Could it have been better? Yes. Do I like it? I do. I think it's a hiss. I'm definitely going to do it again. Now, because I forgot to wax the inside, can't ever put water in it. So it's just gonna have dried flowers in. Now I don't have any purple flowers, but I do have some flowers that I will put in it for the photos at the end. Execution could have been better, but I really like it. I just think it's cool. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you like it as well, and I'm going to leave some photos at the end with the flowers in, just so that you can see it. And thanks ever so much for watching, everyone. Really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.